Allez-vous?
Bonsoir.
Je vais très bien. Et toi? Comment ça va?
Hello.
Hello, comment ça va?
Ça va bien.
Ça va bien. Super. Super. Très bien. So before like Arjun joins, very quickly, I'll take your accents ka revision, which was left. Is that okay, Manoj?
Yes. Is my video visible?
No, 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 no.
Yeah. It's visible now.
No, super. Super, super. Now I'll just draw the accent. Which accent is this?
This is A.
Very good. How do you pronounce this? What do you call this accent?
Ague.
Très bien, très bien. Then what about this?
This is grave. We pronounce it as grave. Grave.
Super. Now next one is
this has no sound. No, not this one.
which accent is this?
This is grave only. Grave.
Super.
Grave only.
The sound is of a. A grave means to somebody.
Grave.
Okay. If I want to say to Manoj, so I'll say a Manoj. Okay. Then next is what is this?
This one.
I dot.
One dot. This is chrome. This has no sound, no chrome.
This is tremor. I tremor. Tremor. Very quickly, tremor. Okay. And you also use it on E, which becomes E tremor. Okay, Manoj.
Okay, tremor.
Okay. Now the next one was last wala. What do you call this?
This is to see saddle.
Rabia. C saddle. Okay. C saddle. So now once more, one
so
last.
like we say gar song.
Rabia. Super. Now look at this.
This is circumflex.
Super. You're there. Okay. Now have you revised numbers?
Yeah, numbers have revised.
Okay.
So this is 2 into 2. This is cat.
Super. Then
4 plus 4, 8. Wheat. 16.
Says. Very good. Perfect.
6. 6 is 6. 6 is 6.
Sees. Is precise with the B Z sound. Okay.
Sees. 6 is 12. Dooj.
Doos.
those.
Sorry, my mistake.
18 is this is okay. This and 6 this with
Super. Très bien.
10
You have
plus.
revised. You have revised your big time. Amazing.
Yeah, I got few time, but this Saturday, Sunday, and then a long break of Wednesday, very difficult.
Oh, I totally know. So Arjun basically texted me regarding his schedule that day. Do you remember we had a word about that schedule change? So उसका कहना था कि Monday, the days which he texted me were, just a second, I'll tell you. So I was like, Aaj, I'll ask you, and then we will be sticking to that if possible. Okay, Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. Will you be comfortable with that?
Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. Sunday
Yes.
morning.
Yeah.
That is fine. That is fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine for you. So that एक साथ बहुत ज़्यादा holidays भी नहीं आ रही है, and you get like 2 to 3 days का gap in between Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. Only Sunday, Monday के बीच में you'll have like very quickly it will pass Sunday and Monday.
Yes.
Okay, just keep in mind that on Sunday you'll have to watch a video also for Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep that in mind.
So
very good.
Monday, Thursday, and
Sunday.
So Monday, Thursday we will meet in evening, and Sunday in the morning.
Yeah. I guess Arjun should join now because he has texted already. Okay. We'll just wait for 5 minutes. Until then, I'll take your revision once more. If somebody asks you, like somebody who's elder to you meets you, and you have to ask him or her, what is your name? What will you say?
Como vulego?
Sorry, come again.
Kele votro, no?
Kele votro preno, you can ask. There's no wrong you have to write in that. Preno means first name and no means second name.
Second name.
But you can also say, como vous appelez-vous?
Como vous appelez-vous? Yeah.
Vous appelez-vous, okay?
This I have to memorize.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा मतलब ये क्या कि start है ना, so that's why it will be a little bit difficult, but not very much. And then besides that, for today, you had say sasa, which we already did, right? Was say sasa easy in the video?
Yeah, say sasa was fine. Say so, and then there is a negative one also. Nespa.
Nepa, sanepa, sanesopa.
So ne sopas.
Super. And besides that, were you able to like do everything else?
Other than that, I was able to do that adjectives you have, singular, plural, then masculine, feminine, grande, grands, grand. So adjective is also depending on singular, plural, and masculine, feminine. Similarly, color is also dependent on muscular,
Everything in French.
singular, plural.
Even in nationality, if you look at French, no, the closest grammar related part is Hindi jaisa. Hindi में जैसे होता है, same way grammar is there in French. Just that the words are a little bit similar to English, but besides that, everything is similar to French, Hindi only.
But just we have to practice and memorize.
See, this week बहुत सारा practice होने वाला है, and a lot things are there to memorize. जैसे आज adjectives हो जाएंगे, colors are there to memorize, your numbers are there to memorize itself. Okay, so just keep in mind, and मतलब एकदम हार मत मान लेना कि नहीं हो रहा memorize. Just tell me कि हो रहा कि नहीं हो रहा. That's it. Okay.
I'm finding this very entertaining. मैं कोई याद करने के लिए नहीं कर रहा. I'm finding it very entertaining.
Okay, then that's the
Because
best
I
thing.
always wanted to learn a language. That's why.
I know. I can see the joy on your face only. You can see the joy on your face.
Just, but my office schedule is so tight, so it's very difficult to keep a tab. That's why Monday, Thursday, Sunday, then I have to be on my toes. That is Thursday is a class, so I have to do the revision. But if there is a huge gap, I may miss out in between.
Sure. That's why only starting में when I was told कि weekend classes are going to be there, so I was like, weekend में possibility ही नहीं है. It would be really difficult for students. मुझे तो कुछ नहीं, I have to just teach. Students have to remember at the end of the day, so it will be very difficult for them.
Yeah. So other than that, हम जो books हैं, books से भी कुछ नहीं करे ना, जो book थी.
Books in the sense notebook.
No. The teaching, the learning material. What is the name
The
of it?
learning material alter ego ना, so एक
हाँ,
बार
बताओ.
खाली if we once finish A1 ना, तो A1 finish होने के बाद we will be focusing on texts and everything. And
Okay.
because A1 is like the very basics. If I right now only don't tell you कि इसका meaning क्या होगा, इसका meaning क्या होगा, तो आप काफी confused हो जाओगे जब आप book पढ़ोगे तभी.
Because I saw the book, उसमें वो fill in the blanks हैं. So like same you have in your videos also, similar kind of thing.
Yeah.
But with
So
exception.
what I'll do is कि if possible जैसे Monday to Thursday वाला अगर हम choose कर रहे हैं, तो फिर I'll give you one ऐसे कोई ना कोई exercise small
Yeah.
जो आप घर पे बैठ के कर सकते हो. So that
And
you don't lose out.
one more book na, Edito A1.
There are a lot of books. Edito is there, Alter Ego is there, then Cesar is there. A lot of books are there in the market, but it's very difficult to choose one to teach. That's why what I've done is कि हर एक book में से ना थोड़ा थोड़ा जो important बहुत ही beautifully they have explained, that part I have taken maybe from exercise and then that I have given you in the videos etc. Okay, so that's there. And besides that, Manoj,
One more thing, one homework from my side I want to give you. I want to give you one PPT with all the conversation so that you may check whether I have written all the flow right, so that I will keep it as a printout in front of my desk. Keep on seeing it. Like
yeah,
you say, how are you? What will be the reply? Then what will the next reply? So I will send you one PPT, and if you can guide me that whether the flow is correct, then I will take few printout and stick. So that I
sure.
basic conversation I should learn.
Yeah, but actually the thing is, Manoj, try to learn more and more verbs. मतलब by the end of the week you will be learning one new verb which is etra. तो अगर आप वो verb सीखोगे ना तो automatically you can form like zillions of sentences. That is like the basic fundamental verb. So you can ask questions like what is your profession, what is like how do you perceive yourself, what are your physical qualities, or what are your characteral qualities, everything like that from on that basis. Lekin whatever it is, please send me your PPT. I would love to see what kind of like what is your learning style for that. Okay, then I'll drive you through that. कि अभी इसका PPT बनाओ, अभी इसका PPT बनाओ, तो it would be very much on point. Okay.
Yeah, Arjun has joined. Yeah.
Arjun, are you there? Arjun, are you there?
Yeah, he's there.
Oh, okay, cool. So now, Arjun, how are the videos? Were you able to go through all the videos, all the 4 videos? Hello, Arjun.
He cannot unmute.
Can you unmute now? I have unlocked you. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
He has joined from 2 devices.
Sorry.
He's still logged. He's still logged. Can you
Still
unlock
no? वो खुद से ही हो जा रहा है.
it? Yeah. Now I think he may be able to. Hi,
Can you
Arjun.
do that? Arjun, you have to click on the microphone
Microphone.
wala icon. Yeah, try to rejoin.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Arjun. Yeah, now you're
Hi,
audible.
Arjun.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, Arjun. Okay, now my whiteboard's gone.
No, it's visible. Whiteboard is visible.
Like the whiteboard's visible, but Manoj, now you have become the presenter. Can you please make me the presenter by clicking on users? Users, faculty, take presenter.
Yeah.
I took the presenter. It's okay. Now I can do that. Manoj. It's okay. Arjun, very quickly, were you able to cope up through all 4 of the videos?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any doubts before we start?
No doubts.
No doubts. Cool. So now for both of you, very quickly, I'll take colors. Okay, first. Now colors अपना chat पे. Hello, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
So I'll be sending across few emojis. And now, for example, this is a banana. तो पहले हम कैसे करते थे? Say la banana, right? Say la banana or say yun banana. But now you have to describe it with color. Say la banana jaune. Can you see it in the chat I've written in the public chat?
Yes.
Okay. So similarly you have to do. Remember colors जो है ना वो हमेशा noun के बाद में आएंगे. You can say like this, say la banane jaune, or you can say la banane est jaune. The difference between the difference between both of the sentences are, अब जब आप say बोलते हो ना, say la banane jaune, so you're pointing it out. You're showing कि look, this is the yellow banana. There's a group of banana. Green भी है, yellow भी है, green yellowish भी है. Every shade of color is there. Okay. But you're pointing out that look at that yellow bananas. Okay. Whereas, नीचे वाले sentence में it means that the banana is yellow. It's a general assertive statement. Okay. General assertive statement. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I will put it across.
These are-
You can choose green grapes. I'll give you the color for violet.
Okay, green.
Mistake, Arjun. Arabia. Arabia. Manoj, try. Spelling mistake, Manoj. जो VERT है ना, which is our color,
Yeah,
green,
yeah.
that should also be according to the noun.
Plural, yeah.
Okay. Arabia. Now, this is the color for violet, violet, and feminine will be violet. Okay. Violet is for masculine, violet is for feminine. अगर कुछ add करना हो तो you can, if it's plural, you can add an S.
Yes.
Manoj's sentence is very much right, but there are multiple strawberries. So,
Yeah. Yes.
Arjun, one mistake. Arjun, did you get your mistake? Arabia.
Yes, it should be phrases.
Arabia. Can you do the next one, boys? Blue wala. I've sent you one emoji already. Where Arjun? Manoj, where's your sentence? Super. Super. So now I'll teach you something new in this, which is about Ilia. Ilia means there's or there are. Okay? There is or there are. So if I want to say there is a white, there is a white flower. Flower meaning, flower in French is called as fleur, une fleur. Okay, feminine. Even though it ends without any, it is still feminine. Okay, is that cool?
Okay.
Okay, so
It
can
is
you do
fleur.
this? Fleur, fleur. जैसे BLEU को
Fleur.
what do you pronounce BLEU?
Fleur.
Similarly, fleur. R,
Fleur.
very slight sound of R. Very slight sound of R.
No.
Fleur.
Yeah. Okay.
Très bien. Très bien. Can you try translating this? Now remember यहाँ पे a है. There is not the. तो a के लिए you are going to use indefinite article.
There is a white flower.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah.
One mistake, Arjun. नहीं, two mistakes actually. Manoj, once again mistake. Fleur, as I told you, even though it does not end with an E, it is still feminine. Arjun, as I told you, where is the placement of the color?
Oh, okay.
Color after the flower.
Okay, afterwards. So, très bien, Arjun, très bien. Très bien, Manoj. Now translate this. There is an orange carrot. There's an orange carrot. Il y a une carotte orange. Très bien. Très bien.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Il y a
Oui.
une आएगा ना, because carotte feminine है.
Feminine.
Okay. Now there are pink ice creams, if I want to say.
There are pink ice cream.
What are the words for pink and ice cream?
Pink.
Pink is rose, R-O-S-E, rose, and ice cream is glass. Glass. Both of them, like glass is feminine and rose has an E already, so you don't need to add anything else. Ilya, two mistakes actually, Manoj. काफी close हो, but two mistakes are there. Again, three mistakes, Arjun. Should I tell you both, or you all understood your mistakes?
No, can you tell?
Yeah, I have told there are pink ice creams first of all, and both of you, even
Yeah,
Manoj was very close. He has written he has they, but then plural in the noun and the color he forgot. But Arjun, you forgot the article only. Same French. अगर मैं article आपको नहीं भी लिखो ना English में, but in French you have to assume there's some kind of an article. Okay. So either you can go with les or they. But since we are saying there are pink ice creams, so you would rather go with some, which is DES. Okay.
Okay.
Can you please write it down?
Write what down?
How do you write it? There are pink ice creams. The correct version.
You have written is right, Manoj. What you have written
Okay.
is right.
This is right.
Just that Y and A means like there should be distance.
Distance. Right? Yeah.
I'm writing it down once again. Ilya de glass rose.
Yeah.
Both of you made just similar mistake, which is आप glass को plural करना भूल गए थे. That's it.
Got it.
अगर
Got it.
glass plural होता तो फिर rose भी plural हो जाता.
Oh,
And article, Arjun just forgot the article. That's it. I'll give you once more another one, which is there are okay, let's go with this. There are black pen.
there are black.
There are black pens. Manoj, stilo is masculine.
Yeah. Let me.
Arjun. And also, Manoj, the color was wrong. Arjun, now your color, if your noun's plural, then your color should also be plural. Web, Arjun. Manoj, you can try. Web. Oh, no. One mistake. Can you guess, Manoj, what is the mistake? Rabia. Now look at this. Karina is tall and pretty. Can you tell me the word for tall and pretty?
Tall is grand.
Rabia, grand.
Grown.
Grand. And pretty के लिए? Pretty, the word is jolie.
Yeah, Jolie.
Okay.
Jolie.
Normally Joli, but if in case feminine hai, so then we put an E. So it becomes jolie. Okay.
Can you write
Arjun,
tall once?
grand is used for tall as well as big, both of them.
Okay.
Jolie. Jolie. You pronounce it Jolie.
Jolie, like holy, jolie.
Yeah, Jolie.
Okay, jolie. And then, can you both try to do this, or should I show you this first one?
What do you say? And is et?
Yes, and is et. Manoj, perfect. Perfect, Arjun, perfect. Now, similarly, Salman is small and intelligent.
is intelligent is intelligent only.
Intelligent. Please try to pronounce the sentence, Arjun.
Salman est petit et intelligent.
Wrong.
Intelligent.
Wrong. Manoj, once again you try.
Salman est petit en intelligent.
Once again try.
Salman est petit intelligent. I don't know.
Once
Intelligent.
I'll tell you both of you what mistakes you are making, okay? Salman, right, perfect. Now both of you pronounce EST. How will you pronounce EST?
Is A.
A. Very small. Salman A Patti. Now jo PE hai na, both of you are pronouncing it differently. PE will always be like P. P. And since last T hum pronounce nahi karenge, that's why it becomes Patti. And jo ET hai na, it will become A. A is now more shorter. Okay, Patti A. Patti A. IN will become Reza ke jaise A. And then TELL. Tell. IGENT will become Ijon. Intelligent.
Okay.
Salman est petit et intelligent. Can you try?
Salman est petit
Et intelligent.
intelligent.
Salman est petit et intelligent.
Very bien. Similar thing if I'm making for Karina. Karina is small and intelligent. Okay. How will you say?
Karina est petit et intelligent.
No. First write it down so that you understand.
Yeah.
Arjun, one mistake. Manoj, one mistake. Manoj, two mistakes. Arjun, one mistake. Remember, boys, adjective should always agree with the noun. Very good, Arjun. Arjun, please try to pronounce it.
Karina est petite et intelligente.
Très bien. Intelligente. Intelligente.
Karina est petit et intelligent.
नहीं, पैती नहीं, प. Pati.
Petit et intelligent.
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 Très bien. Okay. Now for both of you, Karan, Nepa. Nepa means it's not. Whenever something's negative. So na plus verb. In French, to make anything negative, we put na plus verb plus past. For example, can you please try to pronounce this? Sorry, my mistake.
Ce n'est pas
Wrong. There's one mistake. Then there's one mistake. Can you spot it? Les voitures blanches is plural, but I have written ce n'est pas. So that's my mistake. So the right should be
ce ne sont.
ce ne sont pas.
Ce ne sont pas.
Les voix blanches.
Try to pronounce it.
Ça ne sont pas la voix blanche.
Ça ne sont pas les. Elias les.
वो
Voix. जिसे
voix
TY होता है ना. Voix. Voiture. Voix. Voiture. This is how we pronounce it. Ça ne sont pas les voitures blanches. Arjun, you need to try saying this.
Ce ne sont pas les voitures blanches.
Blanche.
Blanche.
PH na blanche. Okay.
void. Oh. How do you pronounce it? Void. Voix.
Look, I'll just show it in you. I'll just show it to you. Look at this. Okay, I'll just tell you very quickly. Voiture. Okay. Can you read it?
Voiture.
Voiture.
And what does it mean?
Car.
Okay.
Car.
White car.
Okay, voiture. Now, look at this. ये VOI आपको पता है कि एक ही sound है. Okay. You know that VOI is just one sound. तो हमने यहाँ पे break कर दिया. And VOI के similar वाला sound is of TOI. What do you call TOI?
Ture.
TOI.
Toi.
तो similarly हम बोलेंगे VOI को voix. Okay. Now TU is tu. Voix, tu. And RE is, can you guess what is RE? Rebia. It's just R. Voiture.
Break.
Understood how to break it? जो भी nearest कोई भी sound होगा ना, which you feel कि ये मैंने पढ़ा है, so you have to break it accordingly. You know that OI has a sound, U has a sound, and E also has a sound. So that's why we break it at this junctures. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll be sharing with you in the chat. थोड़ी चीजें और. Can you please pronounce the last thing which I have sent you?
Ce ne pas la grande banque.
Very close, one mistake. Manoj, can you please try to do it?
Ce n'est pas les grands banques.
What do you pronounce LA?
At least les.
No.
La.
Ce
Ce n'est pas la grande.
Grande banque. And Arjun over here, essentially ना ये NE ही था. Okay. Before it was NE and EST जैसे हमने सोचा था. But what happens is that if it is like this, then both of this E clash. Okay. And if this E clashes, तो हमारा बन जाता है CEN apostrophe EST. Understood? ये NE का E and इधर का E gets clashed. That's why we cancel the first E and we put an apostrophe instead. Are you understanding? तो
Yes.
इसमें कैसा होता है कि EST का sound is A, as I told
A.
you,
Yes.
right? But now N apostrophe, which has the sound of no, and no and A together will become ne.
Ne.
That's why it's ne, and it's not sa na epa. It's sanepa.
Okay.
Sanepa. Okay,
Ne, pa. Okay.
sanepa. Okay, is that clear? No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the question, coming back to the question, if I want to ask you what's this, I will say qu'est-ce que c'est. Okay, what is this? Will be qu'est-ce que c'est. Qu'est-ce que c'est.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
It's pronounced like this. Qu'est-ce que c'est.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Yeah.
Okay. Now, next one, very similar. Karina is not beautiful. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. We use the same word as pretty for beautiful.
Hello.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, by mistake, it got cancelled. So Karina is not beautiful. How will you write it? Manoj. Beautiful. The word for beautiful is
Oh yeah. Yeah. Beaut. This is
very good. Jolie is also one of the right answers. Or you can use bell. No. BEAU, bow is used for masculine. Okay. BEAU, bow is used for masculine. For feminine, we use bell.
it okay?
Yeah. Rabia. Rabia. Now look at this. Karina and Salman are tall and pretty. Now you see that there is one masculine and one feminine noun. तो अब हम adjective किसके हिसाब से करें? Should we do feminine adjectives or should we do masculine adjectives? What do you think?
Masculine
Rabia.
because the second name is masculine.
Rabia. It's not because the second name is masculine, but because the entire French language is pretty much sexist. So everything that happens is, even if there are like 1,000 women, but if there's one man, like if there's one man, so everything will be masculine plural. Okay. So here also, since there's one Karina and one Salman, one masculine noun, if you find out, everything will be masculine plural only. Okay. Please try to translate the above sentence.
What do you say? R?
C. R similarly. जैसे आपने पहले किया था SONT. Okay. अगर थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है तो EST, अगर प्लूरल है तो SONT. मनोज, Arjun, mistakes. As I told you, you all, if there's one man and if there's one feminine, then everything should be masculine plural. So it will be Kareena A. Salman saw draw, masculine plural, draw a Jolie. Oh, okay. It will be like this. Kareena A. Salman saw draw a Jolie. GRND, draw is masculine plural.
Okay.
Okay. Now solve this.
Yeah.
That both of you were able to do the numbers and time.
Numbers and time.
Yeah, numbers from 20 to 60.
I have done numbers from 20 to 16, not time.
Time.
Fine. Okay, fine. And were you able to do numbers, Manoj?
Yes, numbers I was able to do.
Okay. So if you both have like 10 minutes extra, we can finish it by 8:15.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure. So I'll quickly tell me what is this. 5 into 10. What is 5 into 10?
Sanko.
Sanko.
Très bien. Then 12 into 5.
60. Susante? How do you pronounce it? Susante.
Swazont. Same way. जैसे हमने voiture के parts किए थे ना. Similar parts you have to do for your
Swazont.
SY.
Yeah.
Swazont. X and F, so X and H together will be Z. Swazont. Okay. Now the next one is very quickly. How will you pronounce this?
Tronsang.
How will you pronounce this, Manoj?
45. Quatre?
No. Keronsang. 45. Keronsang. Keronsang. Then how will you pronounce this?
Keronsang. This is Cans.
Yeah, cans. Now, how will you pronounce both of you? 21. Actually, even though we write it like this, van te a. Va a a. Okay. But ये जो पूरा होता है ना ETUN, we pronounce it as te a. Okay. Te a. So this will become Vantea.
Vantea.
Okay, Vantea. Now similarly, if I write down this 31, how will you pronounce it? Trontea. Okay. Now similarly 41.
Carontea.
Perfect. Okay, so almost तो सब आता ही है. Now very quickly in the chat I'll show you. To ask what time is it?
What time it is?
I'll ask quelle heure est-il? Okay. What hour is it? Okay, quelle heure est-il? तो उसके reply में, for example, right now it's 8 o'clock and 10 minutes. 8:10 p.m. right? So this will become il est. See, question में est-il दिया हो ना कभी भी, so you have to reverse it and you have to make it il est 8 heures these, du soir. Beat or these, du soir. We are writing du soir because it's PM. Okay. But agar AM hota, तो mostly you can skip writing anything because it's well understood in advance. Or you can write down du matin.
Okay, reverse it. Six, two, soir, PM,
Sorry, Arjun.
Mata.
Sorry, Arjun. Can you tell me once again? Sorry, Manoj.
This is PM is do font.
नहीं, du soir. जैसे TOI होता है ना, toi, SY, soir. So
Soir.
R का slight pronunciation is there.
Soir.
Du soir.
Do soir. And AM is do
Mata.
Mata.
Like Reza, Mata.
Mata.
Okay. Il est 8 heures 10 du soir. But in case अगर आपको same 8 to 10 PM लिखना था 24-hour format में, so you would have written
10 PM.
okay. So this will become il est 20 heures 10 बस और कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. No du matin, no du soir because जब आप 20 hours बोलते हो तो that's well understood. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now very quickly,
This.
how will you write down this? You both can choose your say, even if you want to write down in 12-hour format, so you'll have to use du matin and du soir. But even if you want to write it down in 24-hour format, so no need of du matin or du soir. Okay. Try to do it. Try to do it. Il est 9 heures. H-U-R-E-S. Arjun. Il est 9 heures 15 du soir. Très bien. Can you do it, Manoj?
Yeah. No. I'm trying to do 21:15.
Try.
Yes.
Can you, Arjun, pronounce this? Quelle heure est-il?
Il est 9 heures 15 du soir.
Très bien, du soir. You can go across the second one once Manoj finishes. Il est 21. UN, Manoj, 21 15. 21 or 15. Il est 21 or
Il
cans? Try to pronounce it, Manoj.
a vantea quans.
Or cans. Or आएगा ना? Means 21 hours 15.
Hours. Yeah, hours.
Okay. Or 15. Can you both do 10:25 fast?
25. Name is Ruma.
A mistake in Manoj. Ile these were Pasank. CINQ. Arjun, first वाला जो लिखा था एकदम perfect था. It's just CINQ only.
Okay.
And Manoj, HEURE. It's very good.
Warriors.
Very good. Manoj, can you please pronounce this?
Il a dix.
These.
These Harris
Or.
are
Say or.
are
Or. Très
a il a this are one think
Try. You are right. Go ahead.
think view mata.
Basank Dyumata. Even if you skip writing Dyumata, तो भी कोई issue नहीं है. Okay.
11.
Now try to do 11:30 p.m. Normally आप लिखते थे ile onze trond dusvar, right?
11.
This is something that you would have written. But now जैसे हम English में 30 को क्या बुलाते हैं? Half, right? Because it's half. So in French, we also call 30 minutes as et demi. Et demi. So how I write it is basically il est 11h et demi du soir, or I can also write it as il est 23h
A month was okay. 23:30. One was.
फिर du soir नहीं आएगा, okay? When you write down 23:30, then 23h, sorry, du soir नहीं आएगा, okay?
Okay. Got it.
Now both of you try to solve this 1:30 a.m.
Yeah.
IEST, ile year or एक single hour है ना, so that's why it's going to be HEURE.
Okay.
Okay, plural नहीं है ना, that's why. UNE guys, UNE. Il est 1h30. Okay, il est 1h30, and Manoj, it's du matin, no?
1:30 a.m. Oh yeah.
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 AM means du matin, and
Du
PM means
matin.
du soir. Okay,
Yeah.
and you can
15
skip writing du matin also. Now,
God.
15 minutes is also called as a car. A car. Car is like quarter. Okay. So this will become, if I want to write down 2:15 p.m., it will become il est 2 heures et quart du. Il est 2 heures et quart du soir. You can also write it like this. See, you can simply write down 2 hours and 15 minutes, which is quinze, or you can write down a car, whichever is your choice. Okay.
God, those souls.
Are you finding it easy or difficult, people?
It's
It's
okay.
practice.
It's difficult? Okay,
It's
okay,
just
no issues.
Medium for medium. Just require practice.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
now, don't worry, we will be doing again this in the next lecture. I'm just teaching this so that, thoda track rahega till we meet next lecture. Okay. Now 12 a.m. is called as either it is 0 or it's like 0, no? It's the new day starts.
0
Or
hour.
you can call it minui. Minui ka meaning kya hota hai? NUIT nui means night. Okay. But MI means half. So it becomes midnight. Minui. Okay.
12 a.m. Okay.
And there is no or written. If you write minui, तो फिर वहां पे कुछ नहीं आएगा. If I want to write down 12 hours and 5 minutes, I will just write down ile minui sank. Ile minui sank. Similarly, 12 p.m. So 12 p.m. will be ile midi.
12 p.m. Midi.
Yeah. Ile midi. And अगर मुझे लिखना 12:30 p.m., I will just write down il est midi et demi.
Midi.
Et demi. Or you can, or you can write down midi 30. Il est midi 30.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just share with you one more. Can you just look at WhatsApp? I have said on WhatsApp. In our group only, there's this image.
Yes.
Can you see the image or official and or Quran?
yes.
Yes.
Can you see? So very simply, just look at it. I'm pronouncing it so that you can focus in the image. 10 hours 5. These are sank. And simple है 10 hours and 5 कुछ भी difference नहीं है. और official and और Quran के बीच का difference is one is official hours and one is the vocal way, like you speak very colloquial language which we call that way. Okay. 10 is these are these 10 hours and 10 minutes, very simple. 10:15 is also very similar. 10 hours scans, but for or Quran, which is in our regular day, we also call it as these are a car. Okay.
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 LED are say LED are these LED yo are LED are coins LED are wing LED are wings and one thing LED are throat LED are crossing LED are throat cord LED are
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Just look at that. दो table है ना, so उसमें से सिर्फ first वाला we have to do right now.
Okay.
Okay. 10 till 10:30. And then just below that, ile duzer or ile midi. And if it's midnight, then I'll call it ile zero Remember, के साथ s नहीं है.
Yeah.
Then it will become ile minui. Arjun, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I cannot see Arjun. Arjun, are you there?
Yes, I'm
Yes, he's there.
Yes. Are you able to understand it till 10:30?
Yes.
Simple idea है. 10, even if you want to do 11 o'clock तक, so be it's very simple for official. Don't go into Quran, otherwise you both will get, you both will end up confused. We'll be doing it in the next lecture. Okay. I'll send you a small time related exercise. Just stick on that. Remember, the question to ask is kel itil. Okay. If I ask it to you right now, what will you say? Kel itil?
Il est van hier a demi.
Très bien. 11th HU is Très bien. Très bien. I'll be sending across one more small sheet. And besides that, adjectives and everything which you'll be learning, I have already sent across the videos for Saturday. So that's fine, right? I'll be revising time once again on the next lecture, which is Saturday. And also regarding Arjun, the timings, the schedule, we both are okay with Monday, Thursday, and Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. Monday,
This will
Thursday
be
would be
next week.
evening. Hello?
This will be from
Yes.
the next week onward.
Yeah, next week only. This week, Saturday, Sunday.
So we have classes on Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday.
No, only for this week we have on Saturday, Sunday.
No,
Then Monday.
like this weekend we will have Saturday, Sunday, and then next Monday we will have class.
Okay. Will you all be okay with 3 days in a row? Like,
No,
only
I
this
mean,
time it's happening.
no.
But otherwise,
Yes.
if you want, I can take a class tomorrow by 8 o'clock. But then it will create a lot of timing issues. So if
Friday,
you all
Friday.
can adjust only for this week.
Okay, yes, it's fine.
Tomorrow.
No, it's an option. If you want, we can take a class tomorrow, but at 8 o'clock. It will be
8
at 8
o'clock is
o'clock.
fine. Friday, are you available Friday?
No, actually, my school has started, so I cannot take classes in the morning.
Okay.
So
Okay, then
tomorrow,
only
8
for
o'clock.
no. Saturday, Sunday. What do you think? Do you want to go for Saturday, Sunday, Monday only for this week? Or do you want to take tomorrow, which will become Thursday, Sunday, and Monday? What do you think? What do you want to do?
Thursday, Sunday, and Monday is fine.
And for you,
Yes.
Arjun?
Saturday, Sunday, Monday is fine.
Both of you decide and tell me.
So tomorrow you will not be available, Arjun. Evening.
I will not be available at 7.
No, 8 o'clock. I'm fine with 8 o'clock. Arjun, you?
No, I cannot take class at 8 o'clock in the morning because my school starts
Evening.
at...
Morning, not
Okay.
evening. She's saying evening.
Okay, evening works.
Okay. Then let's take up a class tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow,
Just
Saturday, and
watch.
Monday.
Yeah, please take out time to watch the videos. Otherwise, tomorrow's class won't be possible. Okay.
Sure.
And
Can
the hours, even it's for Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Sorry, Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. How many hours can you both take out? 1.5 hour each or 1 hour?
1.5 I can take.
on
And you, Arjun?
Saturday, On Saturday we can do 1.5 hours.
Okay. And Monday and Sunday?
If it's fine, then maybe 1 hour.
Okay, fine. 1 hour. Cool. We'll stick by it. We'll try to stick by it, okay?
Okay.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Merci beaucoup. I'm so sorry for making it late. Désolé. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Adama.
revoir.
See you tomorrow. Adama.